KanbanBOX is the web software that solves the complexity of the production system by simplifying the handling of Kanban materials in production, sales and purchase. If your company already works with the Kanban physical system, or if you're thinking about it, you know the difficulties of stock management, which can cause problems when the number of components or customers and suppliers increases, the required lead time decreases, or stocks accumulate. Here's how it works. With the electronic Kanban system, the operator releases the order of the consumed material by scanning the barcode on the box. The interior department receives the order in real time, prints the new card and applies it to the container, providing it back to the shelf. Likewise, the order reaches your network of external customers and suppliers. Thanks to the electronic tracking of your Kanbans, you know the state of the entire supply chain at any time by reducing the possibility of error, monitoring the situation, and recording real-time variations in consumption and supply, reducing lead time and decreasing stocks. The flow of materials becomes leaner and without waste. Your company's logistical performance becomes optimal. KanbanBOX is a network. Just a click to connect through the web with customers and suppliers and activate Kanban reports in real time. With KanbanBOX, you solve the complexities of the production system by managing the entire production cycle with electronic Kanbans. We don't replace your management system, but we work with it, reducing order processing time and paperwork. Reduce waste, increase the availability of materials, and remain competitive on the market. KanbanBOX is effective, fast, simple and accessible, integratable and customizable and cost-saving. Try it now. Visit KanbanBOX.com and activate your free trial today. You will be operative in less than a minute.